What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. In today's video, we're talking about the limited edition Ryobi handheld blower. I picked this one up at my local Home Depot. There was only 2 left, so I made sure I snagged one of them. So first, let's talk about it real quick. If you're wondering what the original one looked like, here it is. This is the original one. This is the one I purchased about 4 years ago now. I've had this thing for a really long time. As you can see, it's gotten its use. But I love this thing. It came with a couple other front end attachments, but the reason why I have this attachment on now because it's very versatile, and the main reason is it has this rubber end on the tip. So I also use this to blow off my vehicles, especially when I don't want to turn on this guy over here, the gas powered handheld blower, and make a bunch of noise in my neighborhood while I'm blowing off my vehicle after washing it, because I'm using the power washer. And I'm thinking about getting an electric one to quiet the noise down. I have my gas Honda one that I use, and it's gas and it makes a good amount of noise. So I'm looking to quiet down some household things that I use around the house, just to keep my neighbors in good spirits that live around me. So next thing here, we're going to talk about this part here, which is one of the attachments real quick. Rubber attachment reduces scratches on your vehicles. If you accidentally brush up against your vehicle, it won't create a scratch. If you took this out, you can see that's hard plastic there. If you did that, it will create a scratch if you bumped your vehicle. So that's why a lot of people really like this versatile attachment here, this rubber attachment. If you bump it, your vehicle or whatever, if you're working or blowing off something fragile, won't give you nicks and scratches. So this is the original neon yellow green color, whatever you want to call it there. Does have, or I did upgrade the battery on this with the 18-volt lithium 6 amp. This new one, let's unbox it. So now let's get into unboxing the 30 years of compatibility limited edition black Ryobi handheld blower. All right, I already hit the tape on here. So this one comes with the attachments as well, as I was talking about. So here's a attachment for the front end here to make this part longer, but again, it's just like your gas one that has a longer spout on it. Same thing with the handheld. You can just attach these together. Goes like that, my bad. And then locks, so now that's a longer piece. But here's the main unit right here. Boom, that looks good. Comparison here, same exact one, just obviously black. And then this one obviously has the special limited edition markings on it, there and there. Just grab the batteries. So with this, they give you a charger. I already have a charger that I use, a rapid speed charger, so I may not even be using this. But here's a battery. This is a 4 amp hour. I have the 6 amp hour on my previous one, but obviously this one's going to work just fine as well. Take that off. See how much charge we got on here first. I love these batteries. I love all batteries that have the indicator lights on them. So it's got 2 bars on it. You can see it has some kick on it. It's got some kick to it. But there it is, guys. The black Ryobi handheld blower. Which one do you like? You like the black, or do you like the neon green lime color and black? I don't know. I like them both. That's why I got them both. Double power. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. See you guys in the next one. Peace.